Litigation finance is a rapidly growing investment opportunity that is gaining popularity among investors. Simply put, litigation finance involves an investor providing funding for a lawsuit in exchange for a share of the settlement or judgment awarded. The idea behind this type of investment is that it allows a lawsuit to proceed, regardless of the financial resources of the plaintiff, and provides investors with an alternative investment opportunity with potentially higher returns. Benefits of litigation finance. One of the key benefits of litigation finance is the potential for higher returns. According to a report by the American Bar Association, litigation finance investments can yield returns of 100 or more. Additionally, because investors are funding a legal case, they are not subject to the volatility of the stock market or other traditional investments. Another benefit is the ability to diversify investment portfolios. Investing in litigation finance can be a way to diversify your portfolio away from traditional investments such as stocks and bonds. Litigation finance can also provide access to justice for plaintiffs who may not have the financial resources to pursue their case. This is because the funding can cover the costs associated with pursuing a lawsuit, such as lawyer fees, expert witness fees, and other expenses. This can level the playing field for plaintiffs who are up against a well-funded opponent. Risks of litigation finance. While there are potential benefits of litigation finance, there are also risks to consider. One of the primary risks is the unpredictable nature of legal cases. Although investors may gauge the strength of a case before investing, there is no guarantee of success in court. Another risk is the potential for conflicts of interest. Depending on the structure of the investment, it is possible for investors to have a financial interest in the outcome of a case that may not align with the interests of the plaintiff. This could result in a conflict of interest and could potentially harm the plaintiff's case. Additionally, there are ethical considerations associated with litigation finance. Critics of the industry argue that allowing investors to profit from legal cases could incentivize lawsuits that may not have merit. This could contribute to the overall perception of the legal system being a profit-driven machine rather than a system designed to uphold justice. Industry trends and state of the industry. The litigation finance industry has grown significantly in recent years. According to a report by Burford Capital, a leading litigation finance firm, the industry is projected to be worth $100 billion by 2025. This growth is being driven by a number of factors, including increased awareness of the industry and its potential benefits, and the growing number of lawsuits being filed. In addition, there is the development of litigation finance as, more recently, companies have become involved in financing claims and suits. In short, the market has grown from a small niche to a major institutional investment option, able to fund all manner of disputes from corporate litigation to allegedly mass consumer claims. Ethical concerns. As previously mentioned, there are ethical concerns associated with litigation finance. Critics argue that it could incentivize lawsuits that may not have merit and contribute to the perception of the legal system being a profit-driven machine. To address these concerns, some industry experts have suggested implementing regulations to ensure transparency and prevent conflicts of interest. Others believe that the industry should be self-regulated to prevent unethical practices. Investing in litigation finance. If you are considering investing in litigation finance, there are a few key factors to consider. First and foremost, it is important to conduct thorough due diligence on the investment opportunity. This should include a detailed analysis of the case being funded and the financial viability of the investment. It is also important to work with reputable litigation finance firms that have a track record of success. Consider the firm's investment strategy, fees, and transparency. This may also mean working directly with law firms to identify suitable cases for investment. Finally, it is important to carefully identify any potential conflicts of interest and ensure that the investment is ethically sound. This may involve conducting additional research or seeking legal advice. Conclusion. Litigation finance is a fast-growing investment opportunity that offers potential benefits such as high returns and access to justice. However, investors must also carefully consider the risks, including the unpredictable nature of legal cases and potential ethical concerns. As the industry continues to grow, it will likely face increasing scrutiny and regulation. Investors must carefully consider the opportunity and work with reputable firms to ensure that their investments are ethical and financially viable.